Hi all, my name's Christy. Thanks for joining me. I want to continue talking about the Carol bike and why it might be beneficial for you. Let's dig into a little bit of the science, and if it gets too geeky, you can move on to the next video, but I think you'll want to know this. So why does it work? Why would it work that when you do these short bouts of intense exercise, meaning 29 minutes per week or 9 minutes in one session 3 times per week, actually 2 would probably be sufficient, why does it work the same as doing a 45-minute moderate intensity exercise? And the reason has to do with a couple different things. One is glycogen depletion. So to deplete our glycogen in our quadriceps, the thigh muscles, we have to work at a high intensity. And because the bike is powered by AI, artificial intelligence, it controls the resistance for you. You're going to work at a much higher intensity than you otherwise would. Now, with these short bursts of intense exercise, meaning 10 seconds, in the first 10 seconds, you're working on improving your peak power performance, which depletes the glycogen in your thigh muscles. So once that's done, you activate what's called AMPK. And AMPK is a master regulator of our metabolism. So as we age, AMPK starts to decrease. That's why our appetite changes, our energy levels change, our fitness levels change. And so if we can activate AMPK, we can stay younger longer, or at least have better metabolism for a longer period of time. So this activation of AMPK is crucial to longevity. So if we can do this high intensity exercise, which activates AMPK, depletes glycogen, which is the stored form of glucose in our thigh muscles. So what that does is it helps with insulin resistance. So that's helpful for sure regarding weight gain as well as, or weight loss, if you look on the other side of it. So that all happens in that first sprint, that first 20 seconds, glycogen depletion, activation of AMPK. So in that second 20-second burst of energy, that sprint, then we start to activate other hormones and proteins that also continue to improve and make us fitter. So I hope you found this helpful. It's a little bit of a deep dive. Another piece of information that I think it goes right along with this subject is how else can I activate AMPK? You can activate it by fasting. You can activate it by cold thermogenesis, which simply means get in a cold shower once in a while for 30 seconds to a minute. You can activate it with high intensity exercise. And what we're talking about here with the Carol bike, that is maximal intensity exercise, which is one of the best ways to activate AMPK. I hope this is helpful and starts to explain why short bursts of energy, and specifically the Carol bike, could be beneficial and save you time. That's the whole point. It would save you time. How do we get the maximal benefit out of the shortest period of time? Because we have other things to do in life. It's not all about exercising, but you got to stay healthy to enjoy life. Thanks for watching. My name's Christy. My website is wiseandwell.org. Wiseandwell.org. Please subscribe to my channel. I've got more to say on this subject.